Hello guys, so here is the part 2 of stop losing, and in this video I break down a trade that we took last Friday, and part of the breakdown I explained why traders must always trade by their rules and not be complacent, because on Friday I think that before I took the trade I was a bit complacent and a bit hesitant and did not follow all the strategy. Hence, our first entry we made a loss, and we got a very beautiful recovery trade. So I want you guys to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. As much as possible, you can share this video, you can send me DMs, and I want you to enjoy this video. Back test the things that I'm teaching, back test it, because it's really going to change your life. Enjoy the video. I saw this move to the downside that broke this structure. Now mind you, we are already in an uptrend, so I know I'm in an uptrend. Don't get me wrong, I know we're in an uptrend. Hence, this zone was going to be my entry. So I knew this is because it broke structure, swept liquidity. I think I've explained this trade. I don't know, but yeah. So I already got this trade, so I already knew we are in an uptrend. However, I marked this zone as my point of interest and this other zone as my point of interest for a sell. Why? Because it broke structure. Now I know price is definitely going to create a high. Price is definitely going to create a high. But then I'm definitely going to get some retracement. And also during the week, I realized I haven't sent any trade to the community. And we were already up in profit. So I wanted to send a trade to the Telegram community. And this is why it's very important to follow the strategy to the core. So I sent the edge this side. I'm coming. Let me break it down. Okay. So I sent yeah. So before price got to this side, I saw a sweep of liquidity break of structure. I was waiting for confirmations to send the signal to the community. I was waiting for the change of character to send this signal to the community. But then I was on 5 minutes. But on 5 minutes, this what happened. So I saw this break of structure, and then this sweep of liquidity. Now, I was expecting price to come back to this order block so that we can sell at least to this side, at least to this side. That was my expectation to continue the buy. I was expecting this to happen, but let's see what happened. Exactly. I saw we hit SL. So that trade didn't work. So I waited for price to come to the the higher zone. That's the top one. So I went to the 1 minute time frame this time around. So for a recovery trade, I went to the 1 minute time frame. So I went straight to the 1 minute time frame for a recovery trade. After we smashed SL, I went straight to the 1 minute for a recovery trade. So very, very, very basic. I saw what I was looking for here. Very, very textbook. I was so excited when I saw this. And a break of structure. As a matter of fact, multiple breaks of structure. I was very, very excited. I saw this first break of structure, second break of structure, third break of structure. I was very excited. I was like very, very excited. So I sent the signal to the community. I sent the signal to the community. I got it. I entered the trade 2 times. Why? Because I got this initial entry this side to this POI because it created the high. This was what created the high. So that was my first interest, my first point of interest. And I was like, okay, if price, let's see what happens. And that was my first point of interest, smashing TP, very basic, very basic. And I was like, okay, if price comes back to this zone and breaks structure again, then we are going down. So I took my first 1:3. I knew I was good. I was good. Got to my 14 pip. I was good. And then I set my second limit at this side because I still saw imbalance here. I still saw an imbalance here. So I set my second limit, my second limit here. And this time around, the TP, if if it's going to work, it's definitely going to break all this and it's coming either to this second zone that broke structure or we are coming all the way down here. So yeah. So that was it. I was just hoping this would be right. But based on the strategy, I knew this is going to work in a way. So I told them to re-enter. I told the community re-enter. I was confident. Why? Because of imbalance, break of structure, imbalance, break of structure. I liked what I saw here because price came to this zone and reacted to it again. And I was very excited and also created a smart money trap here. Created a smart money trap here. Why? Because as I thought earlier, there's a sweep of liquidity here. There's a sweep of liquidity at the top here. And a break of structure here. So a lot of smart money traders will take this, will take here here as their entry, but it's a smart money trap. Why? Very basic. This move did not create a lower low. Very, very basic. It didn't create a lower low, meaning it won't hold. It has broken this structure, but it didn't create a lower low, so it's not going to hold. It's not going to hold. So we see, textbook. That was textbook. So now that price has gotten the smart money liquidity here, all I was waiting for basically was a break of this structure to confirm I'm going down. Guess what I saw again? Trend line liquidity. So that means that there's definitely going to be a break of structure here. So waited patiently, and I saw that break of structure. Beautifully done, beautifully done, beautifully done, beautifully done, beautifully done. Now there's a break of structure. That is full confirmation that we are moving, we are going to the downside. Full confirmation that this side is going to be taken out. Is that it was I was very sure now that price we are moving down. I was very sure, positive that we are moving down. We are going down, 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 down. TP smashed. That was the trade on Friday. And after this TP was smashed, I told the community, come out of the trade. 30 pips. 30 pips. I told the community, come out of the trade because I knew from this side we can see some push to the upside. Very textbook, basic stuff. You just have to understand market structure and the entry criteria. That's all. And this week you would have banged a lot of trades. That's 1:6, a 4 pip stop loss, 30 pip target. So guys, this is a very long yet a very educative video. I want you guys to like, comment, subscribe. Let's get this channel to 100 subscribers. Let's get it to 1,000 subscribers. Let's get to 10,000 because you can see what we are doing here. You can see good stuff happening here. Follow my free Telegram community and also follow me on Instagram. Peace. I'll see you in our next video.